We have a sample of 200 counties in the U.S. in 2013. We record median household income and whether or not they're east or west of the Mississippi. And we want to know if there's a difference in the median household income between those counties east and west of Mississippi. So here, the 4 cases that we had in the notes earlier were a test for 1 mean, test for 2 means, test for 1 proportion, test for 2 proportions. Here we're actually asked about the median. So you can do tests for other sort of things. So we can label what we want as our parameters here. So I'm going to use capital M to stand for the population median, and then I'll use lowercase m for the sample median. So if I'm comparing 2 groups and I have a population median for each of them, I would be looking at if the population median for group 1 minus the population median for group 2 equals 0, or equivalently that the medians are the same. So that would represent no difference. And we want to know if there's a difference. And so that suggests that we do a not equal to. We are not given any directionality as to which of these should be bigger. So we want to know if the difference is other than 0, which would suggest that there's something different between M1 and M2. The statistic we would get from the sample then to help us look at the difference in these 2 population values would be the difference in the 2 sample values. And so this is where lowercase m stands for a sample median. So I would look at the sample median east of the Mississippi and west of the Mississippi for the sampled counties and take that difference and try to use that to test for what we have in A. So suppose that the study found that the difference was $374, with the west being a little higher than the east. Would you think that that meant there was statistically significant evidence that those living west of the Mississippi make more money? Okay, so if I'm talking about annual household income and the difference is only $374, in terms of income, $374 is not that substantial of a difference. It is not that different from 0. If we're talking some other sort of scale other than annual income, $370 more might feel like more. But when we're talking about a income, which are thousands of dollars, $374 is not big of a difference. So $374 is not that different from 0 when we're thinking about income. And so in this case, we would say that that would make it be a statement that it's not a significant difference. Then we're asked the question, what if the difference really was 7,480, which is 20 times bigger than 374? Then in talking about income, 7,480 does feel like more of a difference. And so since that seems like a substantial difference in income, with that value being larger, we would say that that is likely a significant difference, where we would suggest that with that suggestion of a difference in medians, we would probably be going with a difference in the population values.